ये देखो 5 to 6 RPM नहीं दिखा रहा। एंड ऑल्सो इसका एबीएस का इश्यू है। एबीएस किकबैक करता है, वो पूरा माल फंक्शन करता है जब भी खड्डे में जाता हूँ, खड्डे या फिर ऑफ रोडिंग करता हूँ मैं, सो इट लॉक्स माई ब्रेक, पूरा लीवर लॉक कर देता है, आवाज होता है इसका। 4 दिन पहले मैंने सर्विसिंग किया था और इसका एबीएस का अभी भी प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है। एबीएस वारंटी में रिप्लेसमेंट किया था फिर भी नहीं। Hello and welcome to my channel Green Rose. I hope everyone is doing well. And today is 9th of Jan. I'm going to service center, Hero Service Center. The service center is located in Wagholi. Currently I'm left Kharari. The service center name is Muka Coffee name. So Muka Hero Service Center, it's an authorized service center and it's located in Wagholi. So the issue I will let you know. So if you can see, if I start it, so 5 to 7, this is not showing up, which Lakshya Hero Motorcorp damaged it while servicing, because before that, before the third servicing, it was not happening. And ABS, the main issue. If you check my old videos, while off-roading, ABS misfires and it malfunctions and it locks the lever. I cannot break it. It hardens up. So these two main thing I need to get it changed under warranty. And next I will do the replacement, the fixing of the indicator and rest of the servicing. That can be done by myself also, but the main thing is here is the warranty, claiming of the warranty. Claiming of the warranty is main important because I need this to be fixed, I need the ABS to be fixed. And if you are watching this video, do make your service center understand how important this ABS is, because it's blocking my brake lever. I cannot press the front brake at all. On the ex-BHP forum, there are multiple comments, there are multiple threads where people have complained about the BS4 ABS getting locked, it's malfunctioning. So one more problem is that the fork, the cone set, where it's loose, it's moving ahead and there is a play there, so I need to tighten up that also. These are the problems. Start recording after I reach the location. See you soon at the Muka Hero Service Center. So I'm here now, the Muka Service Center. So I'll show you from outside. How's the location? So this is near Wagholi, the Hero showroom also. Next to its service center. It had rained yesterday heavily, like cats and dogs. So let's see, they are saying that the guys will come after a few minutes. नहीं, ये देखो, ये थर्ड सर्विसिंग के बाद इश्यू आने लगा। मैं इसको दिया था लक्ष्य, दैट टाइम देयर वाज नो प्रॉब्लम। जब भी डिलीवरी दे रहे थे, हाँ ये देखो 5 to 6 RPM नहीं दिखा रहा, और गियर कभी कभी दिखाता नहीं, कभी कभी दिखाता है, कभी कभी दिखाता नहीं। मेरे ख्याल से भी मेरे पास वो पार्ट है नहीं, पहले देखना पड़ेगा, मेरे को फोटो देखना पड़ेगा। एंड ये एक्चुअली मैंने पार्ट्स के दुकान में पूछा था, हीरो का जो जेन्युइन पार्ट्स मिलता है ना, पार्ट्स कट कराई था। एंड ऑल्सो इसका एबीएस का इश्यू है। एबीएस किकबैक करता है, वो पूरा माल फंक्शन करता है जब भी खड्डे में जाता हूँ, खड्डे या फिर ऑफ रोडिंग करता हूँ मैं, सो इट लॉक्स माई ब्रेक, पूरा लीवर लॉक कर देता है, आवाज होता है। हाँ हाँ, नहीं नहीं नहीं, नीचे टायर ही रहता है, आवाज होता है और देन इट लॉक्स इट, आवाज होता रहता है और आवाज ऐसा ब्रेक, हाँ ब्रेक दबरा ही, हाँ दबता ही नहीं है वो। 2 बार गिर चुका उसकी वजह से। नहीं उन लोगों को मैंने उसका वीडियो भी बनाया, मेरे यूट्यूब में चैनल है, रिव्यू भी डाला उनका। हाँ ये मुझे चेंज करना है, ये लीवर, ये उसकी वजह से मैं गिरा, इंडिकेटर टूटा, इंडिकेटर में लेके आया पार्ट। ये देखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि एप्पल के पार्ट बहुत कम है। हाँ हमारे पास अभी आपको सर्विस करना है क्या? मुझे पूरा वारंटी क्लेम करने के बाद सर्विस करूंगा मैं, पहले वारंटी क्लेम करना है। तो साइड में रुकता हूँ, हाँ 10 बजे रुक जाइए, ठीक है। मेरे को ऊपर फोटो वीडियो भेजने पड़ेंगे। ओके फाइन, ठीक है चलेगा, मैं रुकने को दे। सैटरडे संडे हीरो क्योंकि अमल लक्ष्य भी अमल सर के अंदर ही आता है। हाँ अमल सर के, अच्छा एक बार मुझे उनसे बात करना पड़ेगा कि ऐसा कस्टमर वहाँ से सेटिस्फाई होकर मेरे यहाँ आया हुआ है, मीटर का भी इशू है, जो 3 सर्विसिंग जो सॉल्व नहीं किया, और एबीएस का भी इशू है। आपका गाड़ी में साइड में ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है। वारंटी का भी मेरे No worries, you can keep the bike until and unless the bike is totally fixed. मैं उनको भी बोल दिया, उन लोग ने क्या बोलते फोन में, आप एक दिन में आ जाओ, मैं करके देता हूँ. दैट सुपरवाइजर वाज है, आप एक दिन में आ जाओ, उस दिन ही करे. पहुंचने के बाद बोल रहे कि अब मुझे पता नहीं कैसे खोलते हैं, वो अब बंदा अवेलेबल नहीं है, 2-3 दिन लगेगा. इसलिए वो होता है, वो सब बाइक में होता है. बोला ऐसा थोड़ी लॉक होता है, मैं 2 बार गिर चुका हूँ उसकी वजह से. हाँ, मैं इसलिए मैं बोला फ्यूज निकाल लूंगा मैं अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो. हाँ. ओके. या यप या सो वो हीरो का एक फर्स्ट बैच जो आया था ना, उसमें इशू था. हाँ. ओके. हाँ. ठीक है, ठीक है. यप यप. I'll be waiting. Yeah, no worries. 5-6. हाँ वही ना, चलेगा. चलो. ओके फाइन. ओके. चलो. यप. सिर्फ यही लिख के दिए थे उन लोग ने. उसका मतलब था मीन्स आरपीएम. So I gave my bike for servicing, and they said that it will be done. They'll speak to the manager, and they're saying this. It is the same manager of Lakshya Hero Motocorp. He also manages here. Also, let's see what is the result. What can be done after the servicing is done? It will take 7 to 8 days, a week or plus. When anyways, I don't have rides to do. Give the result after the servicing is done. So see you soon at the time of delivery of this Expulse service bike. So I'm here now, submitted the bike. They asked me to come by 1:30 and he only left. So any which ways, they have submitted the bike. I'm going to take a test drive. So first issue was that 5 to 6 RPM, it is showing up. Indicators are fixed. It was broken. Both the indicators. They haven't washed the bike also. They have to wash the bike. बाइक धोना है क्या? Washing water. I just filled petrol full and I did tested the two main things, the ABS and the speedometer. So you can see right till now the gear position is not been shown. So I don't know, it's universal for each and every Expulse. I was not able to check the ABS because you can see there is too much traffic here. I need to test that after I take delivery and take it for a long ride. ब्रेक अभी रिप्लेसमेंट करा है ABS का. तो अभी क्या है उसका, एक तो टाइट है, उसके ऊपर बहुत दबाने के बाद लग रहा है, फुल दबाने के बाद. मीन्स ऐसा दबाए ना, अभी इधर अटक रहा है, इधर है, पहले तो इधर से चालू हो जाता है स्लो होने के लिए. हेलो अगेन. सो got my delivery of this brake after washing, got this fixed, got the brake tightened a little bit. Told them if there is any issue I'll be returning with the issue. इसका 3-4 दिन पहले मैंने सर्विसिंग किया था और इसका ABS का अभी भी प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है. ABS वारंटी में रिप्लेसमेंट किया था, फिर भी नहीं हो रहा. हाँ, मैं गाड़ी टेस्ट किया अभी और ABS का फिर से इश्यू हो रहा है रिप्लेसमेंट करने का. हाँ. Today is February 13, 2021. I'm going to Hero Service Center. I hope you have seen the previous servicing issue that I had faced. The console was changed and also ABS was changed. But while Bandra to Haiwan rails, I started facing issue with the ABS again. The ABS used to lock the lever automatically after going on a pothole, like huge pothole, not on a small pothole. If you're doing endurance trail and you're just jumping from spot to spot, and that time you're going through a huge pothole. At that time, the lever was getting locked, and thus there was sound coming from the ABS section. That shouldn't happen. So what happens? The pump makes the sound. The ABS pump, the ECU, that makes the sound. I was facing too much difficulty while doing the trails.
So next I went to service center, told them about the issue. They are saying that we have replaced the ABS. You shouldn't face the issue. So and they took a test drive and they were going from some small Terrier kind of thing, not a huge Terrier like we did in Vandre. And like they are saying that nahi ho raha hai, nahi ho raha hai. I told them that it happens only when you are driving little harder on the off-road trails or there are huge potholes. That time it happens. Then also he was not listening and he said नहीं हो रहा है सर, ऐसा नहीं होता है, सिर्फ आवाज आ रही है, हमको पता है वो आवाज आती है. I was like crazy and then I called directly the zonal office. I told the issue to Amol. He is the head of the Mocha Auto Riders Service Center. He told that bring the bike, we need to check the version number. So I took the bike again. Also, one more issue I faced while returning. Yes, I forgot to tell about that. My brake lever stopped working, the rear brake lever. So I took it to the service center for both the issue, ABS and the brake, the rear brake. They said the spring is gone. The spring was damaged. So, wow. Should have invested much better spring, much stronger spring. So I got the spring replaced. That also it took whole day because the spare parts shop, Parts Cottage, located in Pursugi, was doing time pass for 4 hours. After that, I told the engineer and also the head who was the supervisor there, I told him, please take the version number because Amol will be asking for the version number. Please take it. They said, yes, we have taken it. You take the bike, you don't have to worry. After that, I called Amol. I was pursuing him since Friday, Saturday, Sunday, continuously. On Monday, I got connected with him. He told me that आपने version number दिया है क्या उनको? बोले हाँ उनको उन्होंने ले लिए. Then he contacted them. Then what they spoke I don't know. Then I received a call from the service center. They said आप बाइक लेके आ सकते हो क्या? हम लोग को version number चाहिए. I was like again furious. I gave the bike on that day. I told him that take the version number because Amul will require the details. Now I have to go today. I am pursuing it again to give the version number only. And also the brake lever, there is too much play. Don't know who makes the bike. कौन सा दुनिया से बनाते bike क्या पता. इतना play means off-road bike. So much play means you have to press the brake lever so hard, then it gets activated. So right now I'm going to again service center. What kind of customer service is this? I have no idea. And Harley Davidson has submitted their servicing responsibility to Hero. I really hope so. Harley Davidson makes another decision, takes the contract away from them because seriously I doubt Hero will able to sustain with this kind of pathetic customer service. So let's roll. Let's meet at the service center. Service center, Mocha service center. Well, he's saying that I thought I took it but he is saying that I forgot. Wow. To say about this. और इसका ये ब्रेक का ना प्ले ज़्यादा है, पूरा प्ले ज़्यादा है बहुत. मैं पूरा दबाने के बाद फिर दबता है वो. उतना प्ले रखेंगे वो स्प्लेंडर को चलता है उतना प्ले. अगर एबीएस बंद करना है मुझे तो कैसे करना है? एबीएस पूरा ही बंद करना है. हाँ सिस्टम बंद करना है तो कैसे क्या करना चाहिए? नहीं मुझे लगना ही नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि वो 2 बार एक्सीडेंट हो गया उसकी वजह से. आपको व्हाट्सएप किया है वो सब इमेजेस फोटो वो अमोल सर को भेज दो. अभी भेज देता हूं. हाँ उनको तक बात भी कर लो कब तक क्या मिलेगा क्या करना है उसका. 1.5-2 घंटे तक रिप्लाई करता हूं वापस. अच्छा मैं इधर ही फिर मैं दोस्त के घर पे हूँ वागुले में ही हूँ. चलेगा मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ. 2 घंटे लगेंगे सर. ठीक है चलेगा मैं इधर ही हूँ. चलेगा मेरे को कॉल आता है मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ. ठीक है. So I have submitted the images to the Sunny, the head supervisor there. They said that you will get a reply from Amol, the head manager of Mocha, within 2 hours. So come by 2 hours or contact us by 2 hours. So I'm going to stay here only in Vagoli for 2 hours at my friend's place. So I'm back here. Within 20 minutes I received a call from Sunny, the head supervisor, and he told me to bring the bike now. He spoke to the head manager also and there needs to be done something. So let's see what needs to be done. उन्होंने क्या बोला अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अच्छा
अच्छा हाँ he needs more photos. अमोल ने बोला और फोटो चाहिए. हाँ 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 ठीक. हम्म. This is 3908 and this is ending with 3916. So the old one was the new one and this one is old. The company has sent old device. So I came to know this the ABS system that is in my bike. It's really old. It's older than that it was previously. Let's see अभी क्या होता है क्या बोलते हैं.
So I just left from service center. I'm going towards my friend's house. What has happened, I will give you the update now. We spoke to the head manager, Amol, and he checked the version number and everything, the barcode. He said that everything is fine, it is the latest one. Now I have no idea how the version can be latest one where the old one had the higher version number and this one, the new one, has the lower version number. So version always increases whenever you update a ECU software. Always it's an increment, not a decrement. So no idea. He said that it is fine. So what I am going to do now, I am going to go home and remove the fuse for the ABS so that ABS disengage. So while going off-roading, I will remove the fuse, and when I am on highway, I'll just plug back the fuse on. So that's how I will use this bike now, because there is no resolution to this. So I hope you like this video. Do share, do subscribe to my channel, do comment if you have any queries. Wow, टायर ही फूट गया इसका. So do follow me on Insta, Green Roads, and also on Facebook I have a page. Do like my page. Wear seat belts, wear mask, wear helmet, wear gloves if you are riding. If you are driving, wear seat belts and carry sanitizers. Stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. See you soon on the next video.